Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math using AI. First, define your math learning goals, whether it's algebra or calculus, to select the right AI tools. Next, choose an AI platform that provides interactive lessons and practice problems. Begin with foundational concepts, ensuring a strong understanding before progressing to more advanced topics. This structured approach maximizes your learning efficiency and builds confidence. To truly grasp math concepts, leverage AI to simplify complex problems. Ask the AI to break down challenging equations into smaller, more digestible steps. If a concept remains unclear, don't hesitate to request alternative explanations or different examples. Additionally, always ask for step-by-step solutions to understand the underlying logic and methods for solving various problems effectively. Practice is crucial for mastering math, and AI can be your best partner. Use AI to generate an unlimited number of practice problems specifically tailored to your current skill level. You'll receive instant feedback on your answers, allowing you to correct mistakes immediately and understand where you went wrong. This targeted practice helps identify and strengthen your weaker areas efficiently. For advanced learning, explore AI tutors that offer personalized learning paths and track your progress over time. You can also collaborate with AI to create custom quizzes and study guides, focusing on specific topics or problem types. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals to enhance your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.